Hey guys, I'm MJ. I'm back. Today I'm going to be explaining you how to make an easy broccoli soup. It's very easy. First, cut the broccoli, don't cut it, just add the broccoli into small pieces like this. Keep it inside a water for 5 minutes. I have already kept in the water for 5 minutes and just drain it. If you keep it in the water for 5 minutes, the dirt inside the broccoli will stay out in the water. Then I have used two small tomatoes. We are adding tomatoes for a little bit of tangy taste, and you can cut one onion. Cut it. If it's big, also no problem, because afterwards we are going to mix it in the blender. First, light this. Keep it inside. Turn it to full flame so that you can feel the heat. Now I'm getting the heat, so take some butter, put it in. Always while you are adding butter, add a little bit of oil, because the butter will, while you are sauteing, if you are adding butter, add a little bit of oil so that the butter doesn't get brown. For this you can use any choice of oil you have. Just a pinch of oil like that. And saute it a little bit. Now add the onions. First the garlic, then the onions. Now saute it until the butter and the oil spreads over the onions fully, and the onion looks smooth and shiny. We are sauteing in this because afterwards, after sauteing all the ingredients, we'll add little bit water and keep it for 3 whistles so that it will get cooked in the broccoli. Now add the onion, tomatoes. Mix it nicely. Now add the broccoli. Mix it thoroughly and nicely. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Now we'll have to add some water. Hey guys, now it's been here for 5 minutes in full flame. Now I'm adding 1 carrot. We are just adding carrot for a little bit of taste, and now just mix it a little bit. Add the water. You can add 1 or 2 cups. I am adding this 1 big cup. Now little bit, keep it in a medium flame and close it. Hey guys, now after you have kept it for 3 whistles, take the veggies out and blend it till smooth. Only the veggies, the water is still inside. After you have blended the veggies, you should get like a puree. Then pour it in the water. and mix it nicely. If some more is still there, if it's not coming out, then see, add a little bit water like this. Take the lid, shake it a little bit. Now pour it in. See, after that you have to take some milk, just half cup. You can increase the quantity if you are making for more people. Add the milk and mix it nicely. Now we are going to add some jeera just for the taste, and mainly you have to add pepper powder. Pepper powder you can add how much ever you want. It's for your taste only. Now mix it. Now finally we are going to add some little bit of cinnamon powder for just the taste. Just that much, and mix it nicely. Now the last and the final ingredient is cheese. You can add any kind of cheese or even cream for the creaminess. I'm using a cheese slice. Now mix it nicely. Now our broccoli soup is ready. See you again.